Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update segment e-commerce events with Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. To update segment e-commerce events with Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Search for the Segment app and click on it to open. If you haven't installed the Segment app yet, proceed to find it in the Shopify App Store and install it. Once the app is open, locate the Settings tab within the Segment app. In the Settings tab, review the current integration settings for e-commerce events. To update events, navigate to the section labeled E-commerce Events. Here you will see a list of existing e-commerce events being tracked. Identify any events that require updates or modifications. Click on the event you wish to edit. Adjust the event properties as needed to reflect your current e-commerce setup. This may include changing event names, adding new properties, or modifying values. After making the necessary changes, review them thoroughly to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, save your changes to update the events. Next, navigate back to your Shopify admin panel. Go to the Online Store section and select Themes. Access the current theme you are using, then click on Actions and select Edit Code. This can typically be found in the theme.liquid or checkout.liquid files. Make any additional modifications needed to support the updated segment events. Save your changes in the code editor. Return to the Segment app to ensure the updated events reflect correctly. You can test the updates by creating a test order in your Shopify store. Monitor Segment's analytics to confirm that the events are tracked as expected. If any issues arise, revisit the settings and code to troubleshoot. Finally, document the changes made for future reference or team members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.